Good afternoon, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to welcome you to 2120 Alder Drive in Caldwell. Beautiful single level, 2-bedroom, 2 full bath townhouse. Great location, very quiet street, no through traffic. It's basically just 2 streets total. RV storage over here in this area. Nice wide streets. Clubhouse right over there. You have the convenient mailbox right out in front. Landscaping is taken care of for you. Very well maintained. Vinyl siding, which is great. You don't have to paint it. Notice that the concrete extends all the way out to the edge, and the nice masonry around the garage. Not too steep of a slope. Got the full gutters out here with the vented eaves. And I love this part. You've got the covered front patio and a nice wide walkway going up to the house. Big window that's for your living room. Ring doorbell. Beautiful landscaping out here. Close to shopping, restaurants, not far from the freeway, hospitals, etc. You have the storm door out here, which is very nice. And you just move that and the screen comes up or comes down, and so you get fresh air through the house. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay, as you enter, you have a designated entry space here with the laminate flooring, very low maintenance. And as you head into the living room to our right, off to the left are the bedrooms. It's vaulted, which gives it that nice big look. Notice the neutral 2-tone paint. Blinds throughout the house, some curtains. Beautiful ceiling fan. Plant shelf. Flat panel electrical. Nice carpet in here, kind of a nice tight weave. No tripping hazards or anything in there. This is a 55 and over community. Nice dining space that looks out to the private backyard, which I'll get to in a minute. Kind of your galley style kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry with handles. White appliances, electric cooktop. More area for decor. Your big pantry over here. Another storage space on your left. I'm sorry, laundry area over here. Storage or pantry on your left. Nice deep stainless steel sink. And it has the window with blinds right over the sink, which I love. If I'm doing dishes, I like to be able to look outside, which is great. You have the tile backsplash designer style there. And then this goes out to the garage, which right now the owner has a bunch of stuff being stored out there. Online you'll see photos of the furnace and water heater and more information about that. So let's go over here to the other side of the house. I like that the front door, when you open it, it's not directly right into this room. So if you have food delivered, the person isn't, you don't feel like they're just sitting on your couch with you. It's a nice thing. Additional storage space here. This is currently the craft room that has a nice big closet as well. Over here, walk-in. Owner's in the process of moving a few things out. This is the guest bathroom, which has the upgraded elongated toilet. Nice and tall. Shower tub combo, the tall vanity, elegant satin finish hardware there, or faucet, light fixtures, nice big mirror, and this has the pocket door, which is very convenient. Then you have the thermostat over here, pretty low energy bills, and this is the primary, which is approximately 12 by 14 ceiling fan. Nice big window that looks out to the backyard. Pocket door, another one here. Again, the flat panel electrical. Built-in cabinetry here, very pretty. An inset medicine cabinet. Another elongated tall toilet there. And then you've got the shower here. Nice big one with 2 bench seats, plenty of storage area up top there. And it also has a convenient window there and the double-headed spigot. Detachable wand, which is pretty awesome. Okay, let's head outside and take a look out. This also has a big closet that is still occupied at the time. It has a nice big closet here with built-ins. Okay, we're gonna step out onto our covered back patio with shades coming down, vinyl fencing, very elegantly landscaped. You have a nice little storage shed back here as well. And no rear neighbors, which is pretty great. You have the rain gutters all the way across the back. And your air conditioner. And that's pretty much it, very simple. Lovely design. Another outlet out here, which is nice. And a spigot, if you wanna, have a little bit of potted plants out here or whatever. As you can hear, very quiet. Great atmosphere. Okay, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group. I want to thank you for reviewing this listing with me at 2120 Alder Drive. If you have any additional questions, you can call or text me or ask your agent for a showing. Thank you. Have a great day.